Come on in, guys. I'm all fired up and ready to go.
A perilous journey for someone my age. I'm glad I'm just a voiceover.
First, let me show you how we get down from our car park into the entrance of our club. Not exactly what you expected. Some weather-beaten signs, but at least there's some technology that's up to date. Welcomed in by bins.
The path ahead, unavoidable walking in and out of the club, and a distraction for the players trying to focus. Alex, do you remember the distraction you caused?
Ah! You can't be serious, man. You cannot be serious!
I'm sorry, John. Yeah, of course. How can I forget?
Still, one wonders, surely another path could be found.
But wait, there's more.
And now the final challenge, the ascent to the summit. The clubhouse awaits at the peak, but not without a test of endurance. For Alex, it is just another step toward victory. But for others, those who are elderly, disabled, injured, or have a pram, it might as well be Everest.
Here, we've made it to the entrance of the clubhouse. Let's go have a look inside.
Well done, Alex. But let's see if we can find an easier path in.